Did you know that you can add your own activities to your FunShine calendar? Let me show you how it works. First, be sure you're logged into your FunShine account on the My Calendar page in Edit mode. Then click Create New Activity below the calendar. This is the Activity Editor. It's the same as the Activity Editor you see in our video about editing FunShine activities. Let's quickly review the features of the editor. The Theme Category drop-down allows you to select whether the activity will go on your FunShine daily calendar or your Christian calendar if you have one. The Date allows you to select the date you'd like for the activity to appear in your calendar. Let's set our activity to appear on Friday, September 20th. You have the ability to repeat an activity. You can select to repeat the activity daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly. And you can select the day of the week you'd like to have the activity repeat. And as we said in the last video, be sure you choose an ends on date so that the activity doesn't repeat indefinitely. The calendar label determines the row on which your activity will appear. We'll put our new activity on the bottom row, Social Emotional. Next, we can add activity text. You'll want to add a title and an activity summary. Then you'll add the materials you need. You can choose the bulleting function to bullet your list. Finally, you can add activity text. When you're finished creating your activity, click Save. Then return to your calendar by clicking Back to Calendar. You'll see your newly created activity with the title underlined. If you need to make changes, click the title, make your edits, click Save, and go back to your calendar to see the change. Finally, click on the date you chose for your new activity to appear. Scroll down to see the activity. As usual, the changes you made will also appear when you print your calendar or your materials list. If you have any questions about creating your own activity in FunShine, please don't hesitate to contact us. All of our information is located at the bottom of every FunShine Express page. Have a great day!